Hello dear soul friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be hosting our first YouTube video. This channel was actually birthed through our Facebook community where I share paper illustrations, and some of my soul friends will tell me, Esther, we don't understand this paper illustration, we need video illustrations. And I thought, why not? So in this video today, I'm going to be introducing myself and telling you what this channel is going to be about. My name is Esther. I'm a Nigerian. I'm from Delta State. I am married with 3 kids. I'm a fashion tutor, I'm a tailor, I'm a pattern drafter, and I'm a content creator. So in this channel, we're going to be learning pattern drafting using the buzz dart technique. We're going to be learning pattern alteration. We're going to be learning different style line, how to alterate our patterns into different style line. We're going to learn the 3 basic pattern block, which are the basic bodice block, the skirt block, and the sleeve block. And from there, we're going to take it up a notch to alterate our patterns into different style lines. We're going to learn different tricks and tips in this channel. We're going to also learn different sewing technique. In this channel, every of your tailoring needs will be met. So do well to subscribe to this channel so I can be motivated to upload videos every Friday. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and do well to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next video.